Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Statistics Canada has released the statistics for February, and in the month of February, Canadian economy has performed better because it has rebounded and it has gained a lot of jobs that were lost earlier due to various lockdowns and restrictions. So this is a good news. Because the unemployment rate, as I read here, fell to 8.2%, which is 1.2% lesser than January and lowest since Canada went into lockdown last year. So basically, we saw that in February, this even in Ontario, province-wide lockdown was lifted and a lot of people went back to work. Although main economic regions have still various other restriction applied, but it is still nowhere. I mean. Near to what it used to be before, because still a lot of people are unemployed and a lot of people are surviving on benefits. So I do have other numbers to share, but I would like to raise a point about it before I go into the details of further things. So now lockdown has been lifted in February, that's why we see, but at the same time we are seeing the case numbers growing as well. The main concern for the province is the spread of highly contagious strains, which infect more people easily. So, if that happens, then even under the conditions now, the number of new cases is gonna increase. And if that happens, we may have a very harsher third lockdown that nobody wants. But government has to balance everything and take the decision. While so many businesses are yet to open, possibility of a third lockdown is very much depressing, but it is the reality that needs to be accepted. Vaccinations are going on at a very high speed. Yesterday our honorable prime minister Mr. Trudeau informed even millions of new dosages are arriving. So that should make a difference, because the more people get the vaccine dosage in their arms, more likely things will start opening up. Because one personal thing I am observing last many days, like every day I read the figures of new cases, death and all, everything related to the virus. So I am seeing significant difference and sometimes even no death at all in long term care homes which were vaccinated in the phase 1 at priority. And before vaccination, we used to get lot of deaths reported from long term care homes. So if the vaccine has really taken effect over there, it's going to take effect on other populations as well, and it's going on. But yes, when you have a plan to vaccinate millions of people, it takes time. So what I think should happen now is vaccinate as many people possible. Like, I would not be surprised if the government is gonna start 24 hours clinic or 24 hours vaccination centers. If that happens, that's really good. Give the appointment to the people, and if somebody is booking the appointment, like, they should go. They should go at that time and get the spot, get the vaccine dosage into their arms, and fix the things. So I hope, like the way it has been done in Israel, where they ran 24 hours vaccination clinics, same thing should happen here as well. Because we really need, if we have the significant or necessary number of dosages, we should not delay and we should get them into the arms as early as possible. Because the more population get it, these people will act as barrier and would break the chain, and things would start to normalize. Because something that has been in place for more than a year, even after lifting restrictions, it's going to take some time for the people to come out of that bad memory. So hopefully things come back better and sooner. Thanks for watching.